Suppose you want to draw a rectangle where the width is 2 centimeters less than the length and the diagonal is 2 centimeters longer than the length. What are the dimensions of the rectangle? We're going to draw a rectangle. And we're going to label our dimensions. Remember, I like to call the long side L and the shorter side W. It said something about a diagonal, so I'll draw my diagonal in there. Suppose you want to draw a rectangle where the width is 2 centimeters less than the length, and the diagonal is 2 centimeters longer than the length. So my diagonal is L plus 2, and my width is 2 centimeters less than the length, so the width is L minus 2. And this is going to give me a right triangle, so I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem, and that's going to be, this is also an L over here, that's going to give me L squared plus L minus 2 squared equals L plus 2 squared, because the diagonal is actually my hypotenuse. This is L squared plus L minus 2 times L minus 2 equals L plus 2 times L plus 2. That's L squared plus L squared minus 2L plus 4 equals L squared plus 2L plus 2L plus 4. Collecting like terms on the left, I have 2L squared minus 4L plus 4. Collecting like terms on the right, I have L squared plus 4L plus 4. And I'm going to subtract everything that's on the right and move it over to the left. So that's minus L squared minus 4L minus 4. This is going to allow me to set everything equal to 0. 2L squared minus L squared is L squared. Minus 4L minus 4 is negative 8L. Plus 4 minus 4 is 0. So, and that's equal to 0. This time I have L squared minus 8L equals 0. And this is pretty easy to factor, I think. That way I don't have to worry about the long quadratic formula. I can take out my greatest common factor of L, which leaves me with L minus 8 equals 0. And then remember, you set each linear factor equal to 0. So either L could be 0 or L minus 8 could be 0. We're talking about length, so I'm going to throw that solution out. So this is the one that must work. If I add 8 to both sides, my L is equal to 8. So my length is 8 centimeters. And this is 8 minus 2, which is 6 centimeters. So my dimensions are 8 by 6.